This rally is already pricing in a lot of optimism. Charles Schwab's Joe Mazzola even said investors are buying the dip every time the market blinks. But dips don't always mean opportunity. Sometimes they mean warning signs. Here's what you need to watch this week if you want to stay ahead of the game. Monday, Chicago PMI, Dallas Fed Manufacturing. Both give us a read on business activity. Tuesday, JOLTS job openings expected at 7.26 million. ISM Manufacturing, a reading below 50 is equal to contraction. Construction spending. Wednesday, ADP private employment data. Mortgage applications. Challenger job cuts. Thursday, the big day. Non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, wage data, ISM services index, durable goods final. Fed's beige book. This is like the Fed's internal weather report on the economy. Jobless claims. The markets closed early on Thursday and remain shut Friday for July 4th. Let's not forget about Trump's tariffs. The administration has a self-imposed deadline of July 9 for reviewing its pause on new tariffs. Investors are hoping for a permanent delay. Why does this matter? Because tariffs affect trade costs, corporate margins, and ultimately earnings. A tariff hike could undo a lot of the optimism baked into the market right now. So yeah, what happens with tariffs in the next 10 days could seriously shake things up. Alright, so what should you actually do with all this information? If you're an investor, whether you're in India, the US, or anywhere globally, this week is all about watching the data and not chasing the hype. This isn't the time to throw your money at the top. Watch for the jobs report. Follow the Fed's tone in the beige book. Monitor tariff updates. And don't ignore earnings season around the corner. Stay nimble, stay informed. Even if you're not in the US, this matters because US interest rates affect global capital flows, emerging market debt, currency exchange rates, and even tech stock valuations globally. For example, lower US rates can weaken the dollar, which can boost emerging market stocks and currencies. They can also push more global money into risk assets like Indian equities or crypto. So what happens this week is more than just a US story. It's your story too. Let's recap. Markets are at record highs. Fed might cut rates soon or not. Jobs report could be the deciding factor. Tariffs might return or be paused again. And you're watching it all play out in real time. This is a make or break week. So don't just scroll past the headlines. Understand what's at stake, read the numbers, and see how they connect. If you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm knows we are doing something right. And if you want more videos that explain complicated financial stories without the jargon, subscribe to the channel. Because in a world where markets move faster than headlines, understanding is your best investment. See you in the next one.